Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. Guys, in this video, you will get the most important and biggest news for today for you. And I think guys, you'll be happy to know that IIT Kharagpur, the organizing institute IIT Kharagpur has opened the GATE portal. GATE 2022 portal is active, and they and like this institute has published every detailed information for GATE 2022. Okay guys, so if you want to like this video, please hit the like button and please press the bell icon so that when I'll upload any video related to Get Humanities and Social Science, and you will get the notification as soon as when I'll upload it. Okay, so guys, please share this video with your friends because this is the biggest news for you. I know that, and this is the session. Okay, and from this week, so many updates I'll give you. Okay, from this week I'll give you many updates. I'll give you like updates for like winter season admission and for GATE exam also. So winter application will start from October. Okay, middle of the October and like and or first week of the November. So guys, so I will give you the every details. Okay, and if you want to know more about, please watch this video till the end. Okay guys, so let's start. So one second. So I think you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. So give me one second. So I want to show you some basic information. So look, okay, so this is the information and all of this is the poster card of GATE 2022. So this is the poster card. Okay, this is the poster card. Okay, graduate aptitude test in engineering, the full form of GATE, graduate aptitude test in engineering. Okay, so guys, organizing institute IIT Kharagpur. Okay, so and you know it very well. And one more important information is that, so just I will give you that information. Okay, so I will give you that information and listen. So what these are the basic information related to GATE exam. I think this information will help you a lot. Okay, so this information will help you a lot. And look, total GATE paper like 29, this 10 papers and 10 papers are here, and 9 papers are here, so total 30 papers. So total, sorry guys, total 29 papers are there. Okay, so 2 new papers are there in this GATE in this year. So that is already I have mentioned in my previous video. Okay, so I think this information, the first, this is the new paper, naval architecture and marine engineering, and there is another paper. Okay, there is another paper. So I think this is the new paper. Okay, so geomatics and engineering, and look, these are the information, application related information. And look guys, for general category student, you have to pay like for one application. Okay, it is like for general candidates, this fees is like 1,500 rupees, and for female candidate and reserve category candidate like female candidate and SC ST PWD candidate, it is like 750. So if you pay your fees after like proper date, so in that extended period, if you pay your application fee, so it will be like 1,250, and for other category candidates for our so the fees is like 2,000. And look, so online registration will start from 30 August, from 30th, that is from Monday. And look guys, this information, so closing of the regular online application. So guys, and this that is closing of the regular online application, that is 24th September. So you have very good enough time. Okay, so you have very good enough time. And look, so end of extended period for online application. So registration fee, you have to pay more money, that is up to 1st October. So that is up to 1st October, and result will be published on 17th March, on Thursday, 17th March. So guys, already IIT Kharagpur already published all this information, and the most important information is eligibility criteria. The eligibility criteria is very important. It is clearly mentioned. It is clearly mentioned. So guys, listen carefully. It is clearly mentioned. So before 2029, okay, so many general degree candidates, actually they should have MSc for different program, but from 2022, okay, from 2022, so the eligibility criteria is relaxed, is in relaxed condition. So like for an example, the currently starting in third year, okay, or higher education of any undergraduate, okay, or already has completed any government approved degree program in engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce and arts. So all the final year student of like graduation, okay, they are doing their graduation like BSc, so all the students are eligible. So those who have already completed their master's program in physics, chemistry, mathematics and any branch of biological subject, they are eligible for this exam. So guys, I think this information will be really helpful. And so this video is the first video for GATE 2021, sorry, GATE 2022. Okay, so guys, so already GATE 2022 portal is active. I'll show you everything, just wait for a moment. So this is the portal of IIT Kharagpur GATE portal, so you can read all this thing. And this, so new papers in GATE, this is the important announcement section, so you can see everything. Like if you want to know like question paper pattern, so you can see this. So you can new pattern in AR paper, there are some new pattern. So I will discuss in my next video all of this. And already I have mentioned the important dates related to exam. And this is the online application part. So it will start from it will be activated on like 30th of August. Okay, so this is, today is the 1st August, so this is the first day of August. So and look, it is very important information. Look, this information, a candidate appearing in 1 or 2 papers. So guys, if you want to apply 2 more domain, so you are eligible, so you are eligible. Listen carefully, if you want to apply 2 domain, so you can apply. Okay, and it is clearly mentioned in case of multiple application, only one will be accepted. Suppose you are applying again and again, so all the application will be rejected. Okay, and look, so I think all this information will help you a lot. And one more important information is that, so 2 papers combination, so it is a very important section. I want to show you. Suppose some students who are applying this in AE, so the students will be able to apply in ANM papers and XC papers. So if you apply, if you apply, or if you are applying this domain, this and this, so you have to check, you will be able to apply in this. Suppose you are applying in this domain, so you will be able to apply in any one of one of this paper. So I think this information is really helpful. Okay, so this is all about today. Thank you. Tada, bye bye from my side. All the best. Jai Hind. Bande Mataram. Tada.